How important is attendance?
You should take it seriously. Being late for class, missing class, or not participating during class can hurt your grades. Beyond that, it's not easy to generalize. Some schools have policies, but many leave it up to each professor.
How will I know what my professors expect?
Read the syllabus for each class carefully. Many professors will put their attendance expectations in the syllabus. The best thing to do is to make every class on time if at all possible. If you know you're going to miss a class or be late, let your professor know ahead of time. When you have to come in late, make the least amount of disturbance possible.
All of that makes sense, but what about grades?
Again, it's hard to generalize, but most colleges use a grading scale where 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, and 60 to 69 is a D, with anything below 60 failing. But your professor may have a system of their own.
What do you mean?
She might say that you have 2 tests worth 100 points each, 3 papers worth 50 points each, and so on, including quizzes, homework, and class participation. So you might have a total of 500 points possible. The professor's syllabus should then show that if you get 450 points or more, you get an A.
I see what you mean.
Some colleges let professors give grades like an A- or a B+. Generally, an A is worth 4.0 quality points, a B worth 3 quality points when it comes to figuring your GPA. An A- then might be worth 3.6 quality points, with a B+ worth 3.4. It all depends on the school.
Anything else I need to know about grades?
You might see other things on your grades when you get them. An I means incomplete, which means you haven't finished all your work but have time to do so. If you don't, you'll most likely get a 0. If you withdrew from a class by the deadline, you'll see a W. If you withdrew after the deadline or with a failing grade, you might see a WF. FN means you were failed for non-attendance. It counts as an F when your GPA is calculated. If you see an NR, that means your instructor didn't report a grade for you for that class. You'll need to see the instructor as soon as possible to find out what's going on.
Thanks.